All right, y'all, so we have made it to Rupert, Idaho here for the SIMRA mud races. Well, actually the dirt drags today. So we're out here, we've got the Razor unloaded, we're about to swap the tires over. We've got our Badlands jack, about to get this thing jacked up, get the paddles on, and get ready to race. So got our Badlands jack, get this thing in here. Get this thing jacked up. Man, so ever since I've... There we go. This off-road jack is awesome for the side-by-sides because it picks it up high enough without having to add blocks. I can pick both tires up off the ground at the same time without having to do one side at a time. Oh yeah. Now let's get these tires put on. Sweet. So get these tires slapped off here, get the paddles put on. Be ready to go. We're gonna have some high horsepowered side-by-sides in our class today, but we're gonna give her our all. We don't call this one the showpiece for nothing.
Oh, I know. I've tripped over like 3. So it's 50 pounds onions and 25 pounds potatoes. Or 25 pounds onions. They won't be here till after 1, Haley.
Now that's called having a good pit crew.
It's in your hair! What is this picture over here? I don't know.
If you're looking for yourself a good jack that's good at home and off-road that doesn't get caught up on gravel, look at going to Harbor Freight and getting yourself a Badlands jack. They come in real good handy. All right, now, before we get these front tires changed out, you know, I missed out on my AG1 this morning, so that's why I always carry some travel packs with me. So we'll get these travel opened up. You can mix it with 8 or 12 ounces of water. I normally mix it with 8. So we'll just get that dumped in here. Get it all in there. Get it shook up real good. Nothing like having all the necessary nutrients for a good race day. Now let's get these tires put on. Done. All right, y'all. So we got the tires swapped over on the Razor, got the paddles on. We're set up here. As you can hear, there's some engines roaring in the background. We're getting ready here. Got a couple hours till kickoff time. We're gonna have the drivers meeting here in a little bit. But we got a good little spot here in the shade. We got the sight shade set up. We got the canopy set up. So we're just chilling in the shade, waiting for the races to kick off. So stay tuned. We're gonna try our best to bring you some good footage of all the classes, and gonna have the GoPro hooked in the Razor so we can take you down the track with us. Don't know what happened, but right here the GoPro stopped recording, so we didn't get any of the footage of going down the track. Do apologize. We'll do better next time.